Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. One of the most commonly asked questions we get in clinic is how do I clean my ears effectively at home? So we thought we'd do a little video just explaining how wax is formed, how it migrates out of the ear, and the best way of keeping those ears nice and clean. So the first thing we're going to talk about is how wax is formed. So we have a model of an ear here. So just looking at this, wax as we know it is formed in the outer 2/3, from here outwards in the ear canal. The inner third, which is the third closest to the eardrum, that's actually skin at that point. So the skin is formed here and migrates along the outer part of the ear canal and brings any wax or debris along with it, which then falls out. So wax at this point is actually a formation of dead skin, dirt, debris, oils that are produced in the ear canal, all mixed together, and it should just process along and migrate out of the canal and then drop out of the ear here. Now, the difficulty we have is lots of people like to use things like cotton buds or Q-tips and things, pushing things into the ear. The difficulty you have with that is it actually affects and interrupts the migration process. So instead of the wax coming out, you do get some out with whatever you're using to pop into the ear, but a lot of it is getting pushed back in and it's interrupting that process. So the best way to clean your ears is to allow this migration to happen and then to clear away anything that's visible on the very outer part of the ear canal here. Now, normally we don't advocate the use of Q-tips or anything like that, but if you're only cleaning the outer part of the ear, then it is safe to use a Q-tip. And what you can do is use the Q-tip just to clean this section here. Okay, so not going into the ear canal at all, but just cleaning away what you can see on the outer part of the ear canal. That way then you don't get any wax stuck on the outer section here. Does it get trapped in a little siller on the outer part of the ear canal? But you also don't interrupt the migration process and you're not pushing any wax deeper inside. The difficulty that people have is when they start poking around in here, they can cause damage to the skin of the canal. They can actually cause it to strip away all the natural oils, which actually cause you to produce more wax because you're aggravating in here. So the best way to keep your ears nice and clean is let it do its natural work by coming to the outer part of the ear canal, then using a flannel, tissue or a Q-tip just to clean the outer section and take any debris away there. I hope that answers your question, guys, and as always, thanks very much for watching today and take care.